I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cabbage kai sabji. First, gather your ingredients: 1 medium cabbage, 2 tomatoes, and 1 onion. You'll also need about 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Ensure you have your essential spices like turmeric, red chili powder, and coriander powder ready. Don't forget cooking oil and salt, which are crucial for bringing out the flavors in this delicious dish. Now let's get our vegetables ready. Begin by finely chopping your cabbage, tomatoes, and onion. Next, heat about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a pan over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, add a teaspoon of cumin seeds and let them splutter for a few seconds. Then, add your finely chopped onion to the pan and sauté it until it becomes beautifully golden brown, which usually takes about 5 minutes. It's time to build those wonderful flavors. Add your ginger garlic paste to the pan and sauté it for about 1 minute until fragrant. Then, stir in the chopped tomatoes and cook them until they soften and release their juices, which takes around 3 to 4 minutes. Next, add all your dry spices and cook for 2 minutes, ensuring they are well combined. Finally, mix in the chopped cabbage and salt thoroughly. Almost there. Cover the pan and let the cabbage cook on low heat for about 15 minutes, allowing all the flavors to meld beautifully. Remember to stir occasionally to prevent the sabji from sticking to the bottom of the pan. Once the cabbage is tender, garnish your delicious sabji with fresh coriander leaves. Serve it hot with your favorite roti, paratha, or rice for a complete and satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.